Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key and then hold power off, and this will bring you up this window, reboot to safe mode. Confirm by tapping on OK. And once the device boots back up, it will then be in safe mode. So I'm just gonna let it reboot and come back once it's back up. And as you can see now that we're back in Android, you can see that there is the watermark safe mode. So the device is now in this desired mode. And that is how you boot into it. Now I warn you, once in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function in here. Anything else that you have installed yourself will not be able to run. So here we go. And anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you will need to do is hold power key and select restart, which will reboot the device and bring you back to normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.